Well, welcome in the kitchen. Turn y'all a little bit, y'all are like wonky. I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad you decided to stop by and join me. We're going to make sliders tonight in the oven. Easy, because I don't want a lot of dishes. I've got my sheet pan right here, already with my parchment paper on it. Got my burger right here thawed out. I'll put it right here in this bowl. I'm going to season it just a little bit, okay? Be yummy. I want to use this beef bouillon, Knorr beef bouillon. It is so good. No, they don't sponsor me. They should. I use it all the time. I'm going to put a good hefty sprinkling over that. That's it. Right like that. That's all we need. Now then, I need an egg. One little egg. Right there in the top of that. Wash off my hands now. So I'm about to get that egg all up my arm, but I managed. All right. And I think we'll put a few little mushrooms in it. Y'all think that's a good idea? I'm going to set this right here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just putting my mushrooms in here. Y'all have seen me do this before. And it just... All right, I believe that'll be enough because we're also going to put some mushrooms, just bake them. Yum. You don't like mushrooms, just leave them out. No big deal. No worries. We'll use my hand. Get in here and just mix all this up together just like this. It's kind of like making a meatloaf, but we're not adding everything you would to a meatloaf. I'm just wanting to season up my burger good so the seasoning's all the way through it. Y'all can use, I've used little packs of au jus. I've used onion soup mix. You can use all kinds of different, you can just put salt and pepper. You don't even have to mix it like this. But this is what we're doing for tonight. And we're going to make us some little burgers. Because I've got Hawaiian rolls. Here we go. We're just going to lay these on there just like this. Just make little burgers. If y'all ever made little sliders, let me know. Let me know how they turned out. I'm also going to make some little turkey burger sliders with y'all. We'll do that another night. I've got lots of quick, easy recipes coming up because it's summertime. And I like to be outside and doing other things. In the wintertime, I tend to spend more time in the kitchen and cook more complicated recipes. This time of the year, I like to be outside. How many we'll get? Here's 9. My granny used to make meatloaf like this. She did. She'd make them in little patties. They might be a little bit bigger than a Then this more hamburger size and put them in the freezer. And then you get them out and you just bake them. Little individual meatloaf burgers is what we call them. Meatloaf burger. All right, there we go. There's our burgers. Now then, we are going to, I'm going to scoot these up here a little bit closer because they're not going to spread out. If anything, they're going to shrink because we need more space to put our onions. Got 12 little burgers out of a pound hamburger. All right, we're going to put an onion on there. This is a sweet onion. Putting it over here in the trash bowl. There, got all that off there. Now then I'm just going to slice this thin, just like this. All right. We're just going to place these right on the top here. Let those onion juices go right down into our burgers. And then this I'll just lay over here to the side. Now then, we're also going to put us some mushrooms. And these I'm going to slice fairly thick. Because you know we like mushrooms here. We do. So I put them in the burgers and I'm going to put them beside the burgers. Probably not going to put too many over here to the side, but we'll put a few. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven till they get done. How easy was that? Quick, easy peasy. And we'll have burgers here in just a few minutes. All right, y'all, let's cut us up some lettuce and some little tomatoes for our burgers. You want to? And I can see how, did y'all hear how that cut? Listen, how crispy that lettuce is. I washed it good and I put it in aluminum foil. Y'all, that's what happens when you keep your vegetables in aluminum foil. My mother-in-law always did that. And they keep so much longer and they're so much crisper. All right, so that's going right back in that foil to have for another day. And it will be yummy. So y'all remember that little tip of the day. Keep your vegetables in aluminum foil. About out a little tomatoes. Goodness, my tomatoes aren't even close to being producing tomatoes yet. So we'll cut us up maybe 2. I don't think we need to cut more than 2. We'll lay those right in there. I like to get that skin off so it's easier to eat. I don't don't believe anybody will eat them but me, and I believe that'll be enough. All right, there we go. Our burgers are just about ready in the oven. So I'm going to get this kitchen cleaned up just a little bit before we get ready to sit down and eat. I'll be back when I bring them out of the oven and show you all how beautiful they are. All right, y'all, come over here with me. I got them out of the oven. Look at them. Doesn't that look delicious? One of them fell apart and I already had to taste it. They are really good. Easy peasy, quick weeknight supper. Sheet pan sliders. And I've got our Hawaiian rolls and some lettuce and tomato for them. Yum, yum. And you've got your supper. You can do other things while that's cooking. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.